Hello everyone, it's Magna. Part 3. Let's go, part 3. Okay. Alright. I thought he was coming my way. Alright. Enjoy. He's chasing me after I come by. Oh. Okay, this is weird. Split them. Alright, here we go. Type 101 in chat if you think that combine is small. I'm just trying to get a good thumbnail shot, guys. There we go. It only actually choose auto-generated thumbnails, of course. Enjoy your porridge. Yeah, that's what this is. There's one unripe piece there. A lot of straw is green. This is not good for the farmers, really. That thing's going like 10 kilometers an hour. Go too fast, they'll be flattening all the straw, and they might miss some of the crop as well. You probably can't hear me, can you? If you can just hear mumbles, it's because I think I'm louder than the combine. Do you want some back content? Yeah. Okay. See, all that is just oats now. Oh, like these yolks here. This is a video where it no zoom, I promise. Because me zooming in just ruins everything. Whoa. I just realised how nice of a view this is. Look at that. Oh, this is going to be the thumbnail for sure. Oh my gosh, the combine teleported. How did that happen? I just had to stop recording because I thought they were about to empty, so yeah. They're not emptying. Wait, if the auger goes out, I'll have to stop recording again. Don't worry, you missed nothing. Remember that this is a no zoom video. Why do I always like pretend that like people are angry when I zoom? with the power of editing, the tractor teleported them down. Well, that wasn't really editing, that was just me stopping the recording. Look at all those lovely seeds, all pure porridge. It's the best we can do because this is a no Zoom episode. Also, this is going to be the first movie I'm going to release because, yeah, it's not that Class is my favourite combine. I figured out how to actually edit all the videos into one. Mad moment. Do you guys want to see harvests or empties? Let me know in the comments, because I know what to record then. Alright? That noise for some reason. Anyways, that yoke does 5,000 hearts damage. He's not pooping any straw. Oh wait, now he is. I'm going to have every episode like 10-12 minutes long. Imagine if all those little particles off the oats are put into one thing. Honestly, I don't know why they don't just... Well, maybe they can't sleep on the straw. Oh, by the way, I have hay fever, so I hope you're happy I'm doing this for you guys. This is an oddly shaped field. Well, I suppose every field can be square, like a big square, perfectly. When he finishes this part, well, I'll end the episode. Oh. I'm gonna be doing, I know it's August, I said this in episode 1, but I'm gonna be doing big things for Halloween, guys. The Oats thingies are flashing in my face. No, most people can't tell oats, barley and wheat apart. You probably can't. Okay. So these guys have 2 more fields to do afterwards. But technically they have 3 because this is half done and there's another one that's half done. And I will be recording the other 2. So I think they have 4 in total, but now they've done half of 2, so yeah. All up. And it's all very Look at all this. Very green. This is the quietest combine I've ever seen. If you think this stuff is loud, listen to any other combine and tell me this one isn't quiet. Wow, I'm just moving away from the beep beep. Right now I don't really have to move that much. I don't think, is he? Yeah, he's going to do a beep beep. Now you're going to recognise that sound anywhere. Video views have increased more. Like my average is climbing like 86 per video, and it used to be like 60. So thank you for watching our videos. Oh God, it all goes perfect till it doesn't. I said this in the John Deere video, but I'm walking back and forth for you. Yeah, there's a lot of green in there. Right, let's go up to the action spot. I have heard that in Jeeps before. Like not in the company, like when like just Jeep that you drive around like. So two very different things have one thing in common. Yeah. This yoke is built for hills, like the hill masters down there. Because like I saw that the header was kind of going up one side and staying down on the other. I know what he's doing. Oh, look at the speed of that. Oh my god, I just realised how many minutes I've been recording. $15 nearly. Longest Nav video. If you've made it this far, like and subscribe because I haven't said it yet. Jeep. the GOAT. He is the GOAT. Did you see what he just done? He got that one little small. He is the GOAT combine driver. No, he's not. His second GOAT combine driver. Because I know this guy, he's like, I don't know, like in his 90s. And he is the GOAT combine driver. But he's the second best combine driver on earth. No one else will do that. Okay, I'm gonna have to leave it here, like. That was one of the most satisfying things I've ever seen anybody do. Okay. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that. And yeah. Super Halloween special coming. See ya later, guys.